Hey guys, so some people asked me how I do my hair, and I thought I'd give a quick little video. This is what it looks like. I just showered, and I pushed it up to dry like this. It air dried mostly, towel dry. Sometimes I use a hair dryer if I want to cover my cowlicks. I have a pretty bad, I have 3 cowlicks. I have one here, and one here. But this one I try to comb back so I can cover it, and I do that some with the flat iron as well. So this is a flat iron. It's a 1/2 inch. This one was like 12 bucks on Amazon. It's called the Nano Titanium Red. I think it might be by Kiss brand, like the brand that makes the nails, but I'm not sure. But it says titanium red. It is not red, it's black, but that's the name of the flat iron. And it heats up in like 15 seconds because it's so small. There is a heat dial here. So with my washed hair, this is the hairspray that I use. It's Kenra Volume Spray, Super Hold Finishing Spray, level 25. This is from my long hair days. I got it at Ulta. So I basically just spray it into my hair and kind of tousle my hair at the same time and kind of get it all crazy. And then you can keep playing with it after you spray. It's amazing how, I guess what I find surprising is how long it takes to actually style short hair as well as long hair, because you think because it's short there's not that much hair to deal with, but it actually seems like it takes me longer. Hope everybody can see. I'm kind of a little too tall. So I didn't even use the flat iron yet, and it's already kind of looking messy like I like it, because I like these little pieces to kind of stick out. So now that I've gotten some texture in there, I'll take the flat iron, and these back ones I like to stick up, and I like to curl or whatever, iron the my cowlick ones to kind of curve backwards. I don't ever really know what it looks like. I have a mirror over here that I can look in to see what it looks like. You guys can probably see better than me. Shout at me. You can't. Oh, that looks probably, I think I made it worse. But whatever. We're all at home anyway. There we go. That's better. And so then, you guys can see like it's textured and it's like stiff but not crunchy. Like I can still move it, which I like. And this will last me, like once you get the product in here, this lasts me like 2 or 3 days. So I don't wash my hair every day. I never have. But even when it's short, I don't wash it every day. So just kind of play with it, and I just do little spikies here and there. I don't have like a method, like a pattern or anything. I just kind of do it until I like it. And these front ones, sometimes, some of them I'll kind of curl like this to add a bit of a different texture to. This is going crazy up here, which typically I like, but I want to like make it go to the side because I like it all going to the side. And then these hairs kind of, because these fold downward, I like to go in here and stick some of these out to give more of a fullness to this side. That's where like the side spikiness comes from. I feel kind of like this is an 80s look, but I guess I don't care. I don't know. I'm an 80s child. but you know, you do what you can. Personally, I don't like the comb over look on me, flat. It just doesn't, it's not my style, and I don't like it for me. Some people it looks really good on, but so that's kind of this part is still a little too crazy. There we go. See, look at that. Perfect. These ones are still a little crazy. My mom says I look like Dennis the Menace sometimes because I get little hairs in my, I call it my black hole, my cowlick. I think it's hilarious that my mom calls me Dennis the Menace. So that's, I mean, it is what it is. And that's really it. Play with it until you like it. And then, like, so now that I have these sides, I hadn't sprayed any spray here, really, not too much anyway. So now that I have the sides done, I just go in and spray it where it is, how I like it. And spray the sides down if you want. Oh, another thing that I do sometimes, I mean, I have about an inch, maybe an inch and a half of length on the sides. So sometimes I like going in and just adding a little bit of texture. To the side. So that way, like when you kind of feather it back, I don't know if you can see, it's kind of dark on camera. Maybe I can make it brighter. Oh, there we go. Ooh. Too much. But you can see I tried to give it a little bit of texture. And then this side, I'll just throw in a couple little things on the side for fun while I'm in here. And that just gives it, I don't know, a little bit more something. And that's it. God, I wish I had changed the brightness when I started the video. Sometimes I will add a pomade to, what is this called? A wax to the ends if I want to, but honestly this kind of makes my hair a little bit oily, so I don't. But it smells like heaven, so sometimes I do it just so I can have a smell in my hair. But this is, it's L'Oreal, it's from the salon. It's Lumi Control Shine number 2 hold, which I've learned that there are only there's 6 levels of hold. And this doesn't work for me. I mean, it doesn't really hold that much. It was good when my hair was really short, and then at this length, it's not very good. I have a feeling I might use it more when my hair gets long again. But it just looks like this. It's like a paste. It smells really good. This hairspray doesn't smell too bad either. So that is it. I hope this is helpful for people. It's been a big struggle for me to accept my hair. Some days I think this looks pretty cute now. But some days I'm just like tired of this head and this hair, and it seems like it's gonna take forever. I had long blonde hair that I would curl before, and so this is like totally different. And it's, I'm getting used to it and finding some kind of a style that you, I won't say love, but finding something you don't hate helps tremendously. And I actually think it's kind of fun to style my hair and to play. And like nobody taught me how to do this. I just spray in my hair and like move stuff around. So I looked for instructions and I couldn't find any. So I'm going to post this and hopefully it helps somebody. And take care, everyone. Love to everyone. Best wishes to everyone. You can do this. It's hard, but you can do it. And thank you for everyone being such a great support and so positive.